Hello guys, and welcome to These Are Solutions. So today we are talking about how we are going to earn dollars while in Nigeria, because as at this morning a dollar is equivalent to 570 naira. Wow, that is $1, 1 naira. As in $1 and 1 naira in a naira is 570 compared to a dollar. And I can remember how our elderly ones used to say that there was a time that 1 naira was equivalent to $1. But right now, $1 is equivalent to 570 naira. So let's leave that, because if we keep thinking about that, we're gonna get angry each and every day. So right now I'm gonna share with you, but before that, if you are new on this channel, we talk about make money. I teach tech tutorials and some life-changing topics and how to grow our finances. So hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified each time I upload a new video, if that sounds interesting to you. So back to Amazon publishing. Yes, I have tried this as well. I'm doing this currently, and this year I hope to publish more books. Okay, and Amazon publishing is basically you publishing a book, putting into a book what you know, any idea. It could be your story, it could be some experiences you have, it could be something that you know how to do. Maybe you know how to teach a particular thing. You can actually put them into a book, and all I'm saying, you don't have to be a kind of big book. It can just be something as small as this. Okay, you can say not much, and what you just need to do is put in some of the valuable points and share it there. And for those that will be saying, how can I sit down and start writing a whole lot of book? Fine, there's an app that you can actually use to do kind of record yourself, and before you know, you can just copy and go paste it on your Word, and before you know, in 2 days you are done with writing a book. I'm going to share that on my channel very soon, so stay tuned by subscribing so you know more on that. So when you upload your books on Amazon, Amazon will do the promotion for you. Amazon will help you place it. You don't have anything to worry. All you just need to do is to link your accounts, especially Payoneer. If you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, I've done a video on that, so check in the description section of this video. I'll be dropping it there. So once you do that, then you link it to your Amazon. Then when you make a sale, you get paid in dollars. So that is how to earn money on Kindle publishing, by publishing a book. So it is very, very easy. It is not difficult. So my number 2 on the list is starting a YouTube channel. As you're watching right now, you're also watching a YouTube channel. So a YouTube channel doesn't mean you need to spend a whole lot of money to start one. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm filming with my phone. Yes, and not even iPhone. Okay, so I'm filming with my phone, and the only thing I can say is, if you have a phone that the camera is not too good, you can actually go to Play Store to download some video editing app, so that it will help you the quality of your recording to be a little bit colorful and beautiful. Okay, so you just need your phone to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so it doesn't cost you anything, and the only way you can earn on YouTube channel is if you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So once you hit that, then you apply for the YouTube monetization program. That way you begin to earn in dollars, and also you'd have connected your bank account to YouTube. So without that, you will not be able to earn on YouTube. So you need to get your 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers, and then you apply, and before you know it, you start earning. And but I need to say this, because YouTube needs hard work. It requires hard work. It requires consistency. So no matter the amount of views you are getting, don't give up. Just keep uploading. It is the consistency that matters, and give viewers what they like. So that is what I want to chip in on that. And number 3 my list is blogging. Yes, when I mean blogging, I mean writing content on a site, just like you are writing content on a book, but this time around you are writing it on a site. And the particular site that you can actually use to start free is Blogger Spot. Okay, bloggers.com. So you can start with bloggers.com to start your site, and that is a free one. There's .com and one Wix, Wix. You can actually use that to create a new a free site. So there are so many that you can also search up for that you can actually use to start your blogging site. Okay, and once you start getting traffic, then you can actually apply for something called AdSense. That AdSense is just like a monetization scheme owned by Google. So once you start getting a reasonable amount of traffic and you're able to follow the terms and conditions that they've laid down for you to apply for it, then you are good to go. And that is number 3 way of earning in dollar. Remember, my number 1 was Amazon book publishing, number 2 is YouTube channel, and number 3 is blogging. And right now I'm going to number 4. Please stay till number 5 because I'm going to explain that better. And number 4 is the fact that you can actually start freelancing. Freelancing, like, you have a skill, maybe you're a graphic designer or a copywriter, you can write books, you can do some video editing, then you can sign up on freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour, so many sites like that, why they pay you in return. Okay, but some of these their payments method just they are not directly paying to your bank account in Nigeria. So that's why you need a PayPal or Payoneer. But right now I have a video on Payoneer, like I said, I'll drop the link. So when you work on this site and you're able to do the job very well, then you will be paid in dollars. So that is number 4 way of earning in dollar while you're in Nigeria. So, and the last but not the least is cryptocurrency. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but I must say, for you to go into cryptocurrency, you need to get at least the beginner, the foundational knowledge. You need to learn the basic knowledge because you can't just start as a novice on cryptocurrency. There are so many videos on cryptocurrency on YouTube channel, and on this channel I have a free beginner cryptocurrency course that you can actually watch. I'll be updating that on a regular basis, so you can actually start watching, so you'll be able to know how to do some trading, because it requires a little bit of more knowledge, because I must tell you, everything in this life is a risk. So trading on cryptocurrency is also a risk. Okay, so for you to benefit from it, you have to learn before you'll be able to earn. So that is just the fact. So at this point, if you are here to subscribe on this channel, please don't forget to give this video a like if you love this content. And I want to know in the comment section, among all these things that I've started, which one do you think you can actually start right away? Because they are practical things that you can actually start after watching this video. So please do not give up on yourself. Just wake up every day, have it in mind that you want to do something, because we can't just keep wishing and without putting it into action. So I love you all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to watch some of the video that will be showing up after this video, and in the description box I'll be attaching some link so you can also learn for that. See you in my next video from These Are Solutions. Bye.